quick little night test of the Uniden iGo 80. 4K, 24 frames a second, or 1080p, 60 frames, or 30 frames per second. Has built-in speed camera, red light camera alerts. Yeah, at the moment they're normally $278 Australian in Australia. On sale at the moment for $199 at Autobarn till the 19th of Jan. So if you're interested in a dash cam, I guess 4K, get on there before the 19th of Jan. There is the 85R, which comes with a 4K front and a 1080p rear. That's at $299 at the moment, which I will probably get for my other vehicle. This does also have Wi-Fi connect, so you can connect it to your phone, download the footage, which is what I'll be doing when I stop, and I'll upload it straight away to YouTube so people can have a look at it. Obviously it's dark, it's 9:25 at night, so it'd be interesting to see how the 4K comes out in the dark. The street lighting here in Victoria or Melbourne is not really as good as a lot of the other places I see. Like, look at me now, it's pitch black, I'm just using my car headlights, so you really won't be able to see much either side of where I'm driving. Lighting is actually pretty poor, so you know, it's not as if like we're driving through the centre of Melbourne and it's all lit up. So
red light speed camera.
There you go, red light speed camera warning, which is good because I often forget about this one. It's cost me a bit over the years, but look, I'm pretty happy with it. I've done some tests during the day over the last few days. We've had a lot of smoke from the bushfire, so visibility has been very poor, yet the camera's still been able to see pretty good, so I'm actually reasonably impressed with the daytime quality. The audio is great. I'm talking normally, I'm not yelling, I'm not whispering. I have my window open, you can still hear me. So far so good, no glitches, everything seems great. Only thing I did find, it took maybe 90 seconds to get GPS satellites this morning on the way home from work at 6 AM, but it was very cloudy, and you know, as I said, visibility was poor. We got that much smoke here at the moment from the bushfires. I'm surprised it actually got satellite at all, so you know, I'm not disappointed on that, that's expected. So yeah, if anyone's looking for a dash cam and they're not sure about the Uniden, this is the Uniden iGo 80. I've only seen one other sort of footage online apart from the stock footage Uniden use that they've uploaded to YouTube. There's one other person's uploaded it. Looks like they're pretty local to me actually, and that quality looked pretty good. So based on that quality, I went out and bought one. So this video is really to see whether they are consistent with their products, and this quality is as good as what I've seen online by the other upload. So we'll soon see. This will be the first opportunity I'll have to look at the night footage without all the smoke haze. There is still some smoke haze, so it's not perfectly clear, so that will impact a little bit, but the wind has blown a lot of the smoke away, so it's reasonably good vision tonight. bestwebdesignmelbourne.com.au, hey, on that car, there you go, bit of a free plug for you. Yeah, so I've been looking at getting dash cams for a long time, never really bothered to do it, but yeah, at that price, at $199 Australian, obviously it's a lot cheaper in the US, why not? May as well give it a crack. Already, the last 3 days, I've caught 4 or 5 incidents, so you know, it's almost paid for itself, because if I hadn't have reacted as quick as I did, I wouldn't be driving the vehicle at the moment. So I would put some background music on for you, but unfortunately my stereo stopped 2 weeks ago, so shit happens. But when it comes to install, this took me 10 minutes. It's not hardwired. It is going from behind the rear vision mirror up to the roof lining, down the 8 pillar, behind all the dash and into the cigarette lighter. And it took 10 minutes, so once I can get the hardware kit, I will be ripping that out and chucking it in the fuse box and hardwiring it so I can utilise parking mode, etc. So look, if you're looking, if you're interested, you're not sure, I was going through the Navman My Views, Black Views, bloody all the cameras. I wasn't sure what to get. These are on sale. The footage looked alright. Give it a crack. So at least I can do is chuck a video up so other people that are interested can help make a decision. You know, if you choose something else, by all means. I've got no partnership with Uniden or Autobahn, but if we got videos out there, at least you can have a look at them and make yourself an informed decision and be happy with your decision. So on that note, I will leave because I know I'm annoying, and I shall be back shortly. Look after yourselves. Bye.